All right, you guys know I'm down over 220 pounds. I got a high protein, low carb meal coming right at you, okay? I'm going to chop up 3 boiled eggs. We are making buffalo ranch egg salad. Stay with me though, it's really delicious and it comes with a twist. You hear that? The Amish are going by in the horse and buggies. Oh boy. So the measurements for this don't have to be precise. You can totally wing this and make it your own. All right, instead of mayonnaise, I use cottage cheese, and I'm putting about a 1/3 cup cottage cheese in here. You can also blend the cottage cheese for a smooth texture, but if you just absolutely refuse to use cottage cheese, use Greek yogurt. Both Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are good replacements for mayonnaise because, well, they're high protein and definitely not as many calories. Parmesan, that cheese flavored sawdust, however much you want. Put it in there. I know this sounds strange, but trust me, it's really good. Ranch seasoning powder. Don't get too crazy with this, but put enough in there you can taste it because you can get it too salty with the Parmesan in this if you're not careful. And some wing sauce. I like to use the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo wing sauce. And no measurement, just kind of pour as much or as little that you want into the bowl. And give her a mixy. Of course, you guys can add onion, pickles, celery, whatever you want to this. I literally just don't have time to do it today. I've added onion in the past and it's super good, but I'm telling you, some pickles and celery would be really good in this too. And yes, I still consider it an egg salad if I ain't adding pickles and all that business. It's fine, baby. I can call it whatever I want. Just trust me, it's delish, okay? All right, here's the point where we taste test, okay? Maybe just a splash of ranch. Or maybe just a splash of parm. Ooh, baby. You can eat it just like this. You can serve it up on some wraps, lettuce wraps, egg white wraps, some bread, some toast, some bagels, whatever you want. I'll probably put mine on some lettuce wraps and we'll be good. Enjoy.